Mason at Appalachian Fishing with Sean back there holding the camera.
Hey guys.
So we got another unboxing to do, but it's not a regular unboxing. We've got two unboxings to do. It's like one boxing, and then you add another box, and there's two, so it's better. I don't know what you're saying. I don't know. Let's get to opening the first one. I got a soil scoop.
Soil scoop.
The soil scoop sucks.
It's working though. It worked.
Get over here. Alright, in box number one we got a sticker. Isn't that nice?
Good old sticker.
More paper for you to take home.
Oh my god!
Your mom will love that.
She will.
Some UPS information. It is a Rapala fat wrap. That's a unique name. A little crankbait. See, is it a... This is your box. Is it a deep diver?
Yeah.
It's a deep diver?
Yeah, I think it's a deep diver.
Alright, that's cool.
I think.
Yeah, let's see. Alright. Yeah, swim depth 7 to 14 feet. That's cool. And we got a pepper custom baits. I'm assuming this is a jig.
Yeah, buddy.
Looks like it's the tungsten weighted. It's just a jig skirt. You put your hook and stuff on there yourself. Half an ounce.
Half an ounce.
Yep. Looks like a little green pumpkin with green flakes. Pretty nice. Super rooster tail spinner.
Yeah, buddy.
If you like regular rooster tail spinners.
Try super. It's like Superman, but without the man.
You like, yeah, sure. We'll go with that. Falling out grass jig. Pretty nice. Got one of those black and blue. I don't know the weight on it. Oh, right there, 1/4.
1/4. I can't remember the weights on any of these, to be honest with you.
We have a...
That one's out of the box.
Yeah, okay, there it is. There's the box. We'll put it back in it. A Strike King lipless crankbait, the red eye version. I think it's, yep, golden Tennessee shad.
Look how gold that is.
It's pretty gold. If you like gold, that's the way to go.
I don't know.
Another super rooster tail, this time in yellow or chartreuse, whatever they call it on their website. Get some of these. These the 360 GT surge baits or storm baits, whatever you want to call them. 1/8, 3.5 inches. I don't remember the color on this. What is this? Maryland. Looks really good. Looks nice.
We need to do a video on those.
Yeah, these look good. We should use these
Tomorrow.
Yeah. Let's get all the crankbaits out of the way. Another Strike King lipless red eye shad and sexy gold shad.
Yep.
Heard good things about that color. So, we got this classic jointed Rapala, great for fishing rivers, for dams. Not too great on big lakes, but it'll work too. Let's see, we got another bladed Chatterbait by Z-Man, the custom ones. What's the size on that? 3/8 of an ounce. Those work great. Same thing with that. It's just a 3/8.
Color. What's the color on that again?
White. I believe it's chartreuse and white. Yeah, it doesn't say, but I'm pretty sure that's what it is. Chartreuse and white. Another jig, black and blue again. Or did I already cover this?
I think I got 2 of them.
Okay, well, there's 2 of them.
Yeah.
Running out of space over here. Alright, what do we got here? Some brush hogs, regular size, green pumpkin and orange. Looks pretty good for a salamander. To definitely match with some of the salamanders around here. Brush hogs again, green pumpkin, get another good color.
Got a lot of good colors.
Got a lot of zoom in here.
Yeah.
Salamanders, green pumpkin and orange. Salamanders again, watermelon red. It's another great color. My personal favorite to use is watermelon red. Some of the Zoom speed craws. Green pumpkin and gold. That looks really good. I like that gold flake in there. Break some stuff. More speed craws. Green pumpkin and blue flash. That looks really cool. Look at that color on that. Just kind of melts into it. It's really nice. I like that.
Pretty dope.
Some more storm baits. Those little swim bait things. 3.5 inches, 1/8 weight.
What's the color?
What is it? Smoking Ghost. Looks good. Looks a lot like a bait fish. I bet that'll work really good.
Yeah, we'll try it tomorrow. Last
And
thing in
got
the box.
some missile baits, D-bomb, green pumpkin flash. Looks like great little trailers for flipping and pitching. Throw them on the back of your jigs or something. It's awesome. All right. Alright, let's get this open. More paper for you.
Oh, yeah.
Some papers, more papers. Another sticker.
Yee! Where's your shirt?
You only get the shirt if you go over $100. I didn't go over $100.
No, you didn't.
No. Alright, I got a Strike King KVD crankbait. Just the black and yellow classic looking one, pretty much. I got some swimtail or little swim bait things for my stuff. And I got some, this one is Tennessee shad, and this one is smallmouth magic. I got Strike King limpless crankbait and royal red, really cool looking color. It's got like some orange and red and purple and black. Another one, Delta red, kind of looks like a crayfish, that's why I liked it. Those are both 1/2 sizes. Another KVD Strike King crankbait. Pretty sure this one's Delta red like that other one, but it's lipped. What is this one? It's a lipless again. It is bleeding chrome, blue and black, and this one actually has red hooks. It's pretty cool, and the package is open. Maybe it like didn't come with hooks, and they were like, "Hey, let's throw some red ones on." I don't mind. I think it goes with it. I think it matches a little better.
Yeah. Yeah, it's pretty good.
Alright, and I'll finish up. We'll do these first. Got some brush hogs, watermelon slice, full-size brush hogs. And got some more brush hogs, and they're the baby brush hogs though, and they're green pumpkin with blue flakes. I like the blue flakes the best for green pumpkin because I think you could see it in just all sorts of water, whether it's clear or it's darker, and I think it works better. And I got some Rapala shallow diving crankbaits, the Ike series, at the Ike's Old School. It's just a yellow, silver, and black, kind of matches that other, kind of like this one, but a classic,
different
more
shade.
classic look. All right, and we got the Ike series, and I don't know the specific name on this one. I forget. I think it's like Ike's crayfish or something like that. I don't know. It looked good. It looked like a crayfish. I thought, you know what, might work. And another one, Ike's Mardi Gras special, just like a green kind of crayfish. Thought, you know, it's kind of green pumpkin-y looking. It might work. But that's all for the unboxing today, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Unboxing videos are always kind of cool to watch, even if it's not your own stuff. Helps you get an idea of what you might want or what you think might work good. So, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. See ya.